Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will tell you how to access your device if your PIN code doesn't work. So in such case, the first thing that you should check is whether you're trying to enter your personal PIN code or your SIM card PIN code, as those two are often mistaken for each other. So try to enter the other PIN code, and if it doesn't work for you, then make sure that your phone isn't lagging and no third-party applications affecting your signing in. And in case to do that, you have to open the safe mode, and to do that, hold down the volume up key and the power button together, and then slide to restart and wait until your phone reboots. Now once you see the OPPO logo on your screen, hold down the volume down key, but only after that. If you hold down the volume down key before that, your device will boot up into recovery mode, and if it boots up into recovery mode, you'll have to select English language, then select restart in order to reboot your phone and try again. Okay, keep holding on until the device boots up. Okay, and once your device boots up, you will see an indicator suggesting that you are in a safe mode. And in the safe mode, try to enter your PIN code, and if it works for you this time, then go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then select Device Unlock, select Screen Lock, input your password once again, and select Turn Off Password. Okay, and right now reboot your device by holding down the volume up key and the power button together and slide to restart once again. Now when your phone will reboot, you'll be able to access it without problems. And if you couldn't access your device through in the safe mode, then in such case the best decision for you would be to reach out to OPPO customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will be able to let you regain access to your device without removing your personal data and basically any data from your device. For some reason, if for some reason this option is unavailable for you too, then the other solution, which works all the time, is factory reset operation. And if you want to perform a factory reset operation, you should know that you can do it both remotely and locally. And to do this remotely, you simply have to have the Google account connected to your device. If you do, and if you didn't disable Find My Device feature manually in the settings, then you can open a web browser on any other device that you use, look up Find Hub service by Google, then log in to the Find Hub using your Google account that is connected to this device, and then select this phone on the list, select factory reset, and then perform the factory reset operation in order to set up your device once again. Now, if you don't know your if you don't have Find My Device feature enabled, or maybe if you simply want to perform a factory reset operation in the other way, you can do this locally using recovery mode. I briefly mentioned it, but if you still need some help on your way, that's absolutely fine. We have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation on OPPO A5m using recovery mode. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.